Volco Motors opened their services for Mitsubishi Pajero owners. For more details, call on given below number.
To all of you, today we are here gathered together to give a brief about two of the most important cases that the SIT has been handling for quite some time now. The first case is a case about a pornographic website that had been running for the past 4 years now, to be very frank, 2018, 19, 20 and now 21, 4 years now, operating from Delhi NCR. And we received a complaint from an Arunachali woman that her pictures taken from Instagram that she had posted way back in 2018 had been taken out and morphed and turned into pornographic images, and then they have been hosted on a website called desimasalaboard.org. So this is a complaint that we received around about 2-3 months back, and then we started working on it. A team of officers led by Inspector Lowang, who is on my left, started working on it very dedicatedly. We employed some cyber experts also with us because this was a new case and we wanted to get to the root of it. What we found out was that first we tried to contact the host and the owners of this website. We came to know that there is one owner of this website and there are 6 moderators that moderate the content that is on this website. Now, something about this website. What this website actually was, still is running, now we'll shut it down. This website is used to host B-grade MMS video clips, photos, and has links of various OTT platform based short movie, short clips also. So if you go there, then you can, and if you are not a member, then you can go there once or twice and then the system will shut you out. There is a bot army that will shut you out. So how does this website work? This website works that you have to go there, you have to become a subscriber, you have to give your email ID and subscribe to that. As of now, this website has close to 1 lakh subscribers. You have to subscribe to it and then you become a part of it. Once you become a part of it, you can view all the material that is present on the website. You can also post your own material on it, and if you become premium members, then you can also download the material that is present on that website. So while investigating, what we found out was that this is how this prima facie, this is how this website works. Then we wrote to the website owners also, but they refused to cooperate. So after that we employed our detective techniques, and then we found out that this website is being run by a person called Avinash Verma. He's a 37-year-old person who lives intermittently between Noida and Ghaziabad. He has a property in Noida, he has a property in Ghaziabad, so he lives there. And then he is a certified fitness trainer for the past 10 odd years, and he has also worked in quite some TV shows, the details of which I'll be giving you in the press release also. There are a couple of TV shows, most important and ironical being Savdhan India also. He worked in Savdhan India also. So he is the person who has been running this website since 2018. So we got to know about this person, then we mounted our surveillance on him, and after watching him for a couple of days, a special team was formed and then sent to NCR. The team stayed there for a couple of days and then they managed to nab him from one of his hideouts, one of his locations in Noida. It's called Exotica Dreamville. It's a posh colony in Noida, so our team was able to lift him up from there, and then they brought him to Itanagar on transit remand. Now he's in police custody with us. Now the important thing about this website and the business model that it runs on is that the revenue that is generated from this website is in 3 ways. First is that obviously if you are a premium or a platinum, there are 2 categories, premium or platinum subscriber on it, then you pay some money to that website. What do you get in return? You get easy access to downloadable content and niche access to OTT platform content and you also get, if you're downloading those files, then you get those files without any watermark. So these are the advantages that a premium member has. So that is one way of getting money. The second source of money is that this person Avinash Verma has a tie-up with a website called Juicy Ads. So what does Juicy Ads do? As the name suggests, they put in ads that are directed towards this segment of citizens only who want to watch such content, and from those ads that are hosted on his website, he generates money. So that money is generated on a monthly basis through this Juicy Ads website, through Bitcoin cryptocurrency, and that website generates that money and send that currency, and that sends it to Avinash Verma, and he receives it in his wallet Coinbase. After that, he converts it into his own like INR and then deposits it into his own bank account. So these are two ways. The third way is that some subscribers, some people who visit his website, as I told you, there are close to 1 lakh subscribers. So some people who visit his website, they see that this is a good marketing, this is a good business opportunity for our ads also to come up. So apart from Juicy Ads, they also want to put up their ads. So they contact this person, Avinash Verma, and they say that we need to put our ads so that we will get exposure. So he says that, okay, you can put your ad, but you have to tie up with Juicy Ads, but I will get a cut in that. So they put in their ads and he gets revenue out of that also. So this is the business model that he's running on. Easily per month he gets easily 50,000 plus just by sitting and doing nothing, just by moderating. And moderation is also not done as it should be, because there are a few very, very controversial pornographic content that is there, and as you all know that the content that he's holding is all illegal. And we are now working to expand this investigation also, that now we have come to know one such victim from our state who has come up to us in confidence and told us about the mental harassment that she had been going through for such a long time. And now we are also expanding this investigation to include and to see whether more such victims are there whose photos have been morphed and put on this website. So this has been one of the benchmark in cybercrime investigation and detection by SIT. And what we've tried to do in the past 1 year is that we've tried to just send out a message, and that is that wherever you are in any part of the country, wherever you are, if you are committing any offense, then Arunachal Pradesh police is not very far away. If it wants, it can really catch up to you. And people who think that they can get away with doing cyber crimes and hosting sites which are way beyond our territorial jurisdiction, I want to give a message to them also that it is wrong on your part to understand or to think that we cannot catch up to you. So it is better that you do not indulge in such activities. So this team obviously was ably guided by our OCSIT, Lali Saab, and the IO was Loang Madam, and that team, the team who raided, stayed there for a couple of days, analyzed the whole area and raided, and was successful in nabbing him. Also included SI Mungre, he's on my right side, and the interrogation is that he's still with us, and the interrogation that is being done right now is being led by our additional SP Abhimanyu, and he is also ably assisted by Sub Inspector Chena, who's on my left.